Golf Course Extension Road, a premium location from your own premium Gurugram. One project which is part of ultra luxury segment, Smart World, the edition from Sector 66, Gurgaon. This is the project which I am going to cover today. My name is Vandana Saroj and I am presenting RERA approved channel partner firm Premium Gurugram. So right now I am standing in front of the model of ultra luxurious project The Edition. So on my back side, this is the model of their luxurious clubhouse, and on my right side, that is the model of their towers along with all project amenities. Let's start with the introduction of this project. The total land patch here is approx 10.7 acre. This project is now RERA approved, and if I talk about the timeline of receiving the RERA, then this project received the RERA in the end of 2023. ये प्रोजेक्ट मैंने प्री रेरा स्टेज में भी कवर किया था एंड आई हैड शेयर इट्स एक्चुअल लोकेशन. Now in this video I am going to share each and every detail about this ultra luxurious project, The Edition from Sector 66. Before that, let's look at the actual location जहाँ पर इस प्रोजेक्ट की कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है.
From main golf course extension road, when you turn towards MR Palm Drive, then on left MR PTS and on the right side MR the Enclave. Now we are here at the Smart World actual construction site of Smart World 66.
So you have seen the location. This is from the heart of our premium Gurugram, from the main golf course extension road, surrounded with all luxurious societies of extension road. Now we are standing in front of the model of The Edition Sector 66. तो ये जो The Edition है, यहाँ पर twin tower का concept है. These 6 twin towers come with a tower height of G+40, and यहाँ पर जो total number of apartments हैं वो हैं approx 890 apartments. Now the concept of The Edition is providing the luxury in terms of apartment, in terms of central green area and all club facilities. And you can see there are 6 towers with twin tower concept. And if I talk about the highlight of the project, then Grey Matters is looking after the interior designing of all common areas here. So Grey Matters, which always take care of 5-star and 7 stars interior design. First, we will understand the common facilities available at Smart World The Edition 66. So सबसे पहले हम start करेंगे from the main entryway. तो जैसे ही आपने एक्चुअल लोकेशन देखी है, दैट इज दिस मेन रोड, और यहाँ से यू आर गोइंग टू एंटर टू दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट. अब जैसे ही आप एक्सटेंशन रोड से इनके मेन रोड पर जाते हैं, तो ये जो रोड है इट इज़ गोइंग टू गेट मेंटेन्ड बाय स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड ओनली. तो यहाँ पर हैं 2 ग्रीन जोन्स जिनको मेंटेन करेगा स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड ही, एंड दिस रोड इज गोइंग टू चेंज फॉर एवर. उसके बाद यहाँ से जैसे ही आप स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड द एडिशन में एंट्री करते हैं, देन यू आर गोइंग टू सी दिस 4.5 एकड़ ऑफ सेंट्रल ग्रीन एरिया. तो यहाँ अप्रोक्स 4.5 एकड़ का जो सेंट्रल ग्रीन एरिया है, दैट इज डेडिकेटेड फॉर ग्रीनरी ओनली. So this is the area which is their central green area. And now if I want to do some addition to this central green area of 4.5 acre, तो सबसे पहले जैसे ही आप एंट्री करते हैं, यहाँ पर योगा जोन्स शुरू हो जाते हैं इस सेंट्रल ग्रीन एरिया के साथ ही. Then that is the pavilion, beautiful water bodies, kids play area and the complete green area on the right side of the project. And now in front of you, that is the water park theme based pool. And जैसे ही हम थोड़ा सा मूव करते हैं, there is a amphitheater and the back side of this area is sports amenities. Now I would like to share one more highlight of this project, that is the beautiful elevation of these 6 twin towers. Look at the tower elevation. And now it's time to talk about their ultra luxurious clubhouse. Let's move there. And now it's time to look at their ultra luxurious clubhouse. तो टोटल जो क्लब साइज है यहाँ पर वो है अप्रॉक्स 1 लाख प्लस स्क्वायर फीट फॉर द लैंड पैच ऑफ 10.7 एकड़. और टोटल जो अपार्टमेंट्स है वो है अप्रॉक्स 800 to 900 अपार्टमेंट्स ओनली. सो लुक एट दिस 1 लाख प्लस स्क्वायर फीट क्लब हाउस. सो सबसे पहले आप ये देख रहे हैं, दिस इज़ द इन्फिनिटी पूल. इस पूल की जो टोटल लेंथ है वो 85 मीटर की है. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल वेदर टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल्ड इन्फिनिटी एज पूल. नाउ इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द एडिशंस टू इट, देन यहाँ पर आप सामने देख रहे हैं कबाना फूड एंड बेवरेज सेक्शन, गिविंग यू एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 5-star luxury. And this clubhouse is coming up with yoga, boxing ring, restaurant, all the amenities. Now I am sharing the elevation look of these beautiful towers. So आप जो मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, this is the daylight look, because इन टावर्स के एलिवेशन में मेटल का यूज़ हुआ है. So day time में these will shine with the sunlight like this. And now I am sharing the night look of these beautiful towers. This is going to be night look. And finally, now it's time to look at their luxurious show apartment. Welcome to the show apartment of the Edition. Look at the door height first. This is a 9 feet high door. Please come. Look at this grand show apartment of the Edition. And the size of this apartment is approx 3,505 square feet. And this is 4.5 BHK with servant room. If I talk about their two sizes, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK, both comes with 0.5 extra space. So this is the corner which you can use as study corner, bar corner, or for any other purpose. So this will be part of 3 BHK and 4 BHK, both sizes. Now look at the length of this show apartment, and if I enter to this balcony area, then look at the size of this beautiful 4.5 BHK. This modular kitchen is going to be part of your beautiful apartment. This is the smallest size room here in this apartment, and the main highlight of their show apartment is that they have provided extra space for all wardrobes and dresser areas. On top of their walk-in closet area, you are going to see 2 master bedrooms here with both the sizes 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK. So 2 master bedrooms is the beauty of this project. And now it's time to look at their highlighted spark of this show apartment. And this spark is their wrap around balcony, which is of approx 75 feet long running balcony. Please come. Look at the width of this beautiful balcony, and this is the jacuzzi which is going to come in 3 and 4 BHK both sizes. Let's look at this beautiful wrap around 75 feet long balcony now. So from jacuzzi point it starts. On my left side the first room, then living area, then again the second room, and after second room on my left side the third room, look at the width. And finally, our master bedroom. This is the width and flooring finish of this balcony. Complete openness, enjoying the city view or green view. If you really want to experience this beautiful show apartment, then you need to book your visit with our team and experience it yourself. Look at the width again, openness, and jacuzzi corner here while enjoying the green view from this luxurious apartment. Here, floor to ceiling height is approximately 12 feet. Now let's talk about the sizes here. First is 3.5 BHK and the size starts from 2945 square feet, and the next size is 3035 square feet. And in 4.5 BHK there are two sizes. First is this sample apartment size of approx 3505 square feet with extra space of 0.5 and servant room, and the next size is 3660 square feet. So these were the all sizes in 3.5 and 4.5 BHK with premium flooring and 75 feet length running wrap around balcony and with jacuzzi here. And finally, let's talk about the price and possession time. You can expect the possession of Smart World The Edition by 2027, and here the price starts from approx 6 years. Now I am sharing the latest construction stage of Smart World The Edition. Now, if you want to visit their show apartment, you want to look at the actual construction site or having any query, then my team is there to assist you with all the information. If you are an NRI and looking for any assistance or any information related to this project Smart World The Edition, then again we are there to handhold you. And now like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Let's meet in next video with a new project and new location. Bye bye.